So I probably know the least about you of our entire audience because you're a star, dude. You're a star in our industry.
Just an enthusiast.
So, well, you're a little more than you're very modest too, which is nice. But for my edification and some of the guys and girls that don't actually know you, give us a little bit of your history. How did you get to where you are today?
So it's all Big D Wiz, Derek Wilson's fault.
It's all his fault.
It's 100% his fault. I've just been into car audio forever since I was probably like 14 years old. Was thinking about car audio, got the car. I love cars, so got the car, got the audio.
What kind of car?
So my very first car
Yeah.
was a Chevy Celebrity station wagon. It was my mom's car.
Yes.
And I had a system in there. I had a crunch. It was kind of like a kicker box. I had the piezo's up top, CR10s in there.
Okay.
Prefab wired into the factory back rear lifting hatch. So I had to run the wires around this side. So when we lifted the hatch, we'd go to the lake and put the crunch box back with the piezos off the factory radio.
Yeah.
So that's how it started. Well, I was in a break as I had kids. You know, you get out of audio, start to get back in audio, and I pick up a Kicker XS 50 amp.
XS, okay.
And I said, well, I was cheater amps. I love cheater amps. I used to compete. So I'm thinking, I wonder how much power this puts out. I wonder if anyone's done any videos on this. Well, nobody had done a video on that one.
Okay.
But I seen Derek's ZR1000 video. And then that blew up into me getting on the Facebook group, me going to the old school stereo meet, meeting Derek, forcing him to become my best friend. And then this is all part of the master plan. And then slowly but surely, he kind of talks me into doing a YouTube channel because I was doing like comparison between 10s just then on the Facebook group.
Okay.
He's like, oh, you should put this in video, man. This would be great. So my nonsense is all Derek's fault. So.
Thank you, Derek. Oh, man.
And now Dean only perpetuates it. So it's also now partly Dean's fault. So he's got 30% now on him.
So you've got
Misery loves company.
Right.
That's what we're trying to say.
You've got some big guys in your pockets. I mean, the names you just dropped, like, whoa, man, come on, really?
Yeah, those are my guys, man. Those are my guys.
Those are your boys.
Yeah, they're my boys. They're my boys. See, this is the plan. I hope to do this to you guys too. I slowly creep in, then I make you be my best friend.
Well, you are kind of likable, so I could see that happening.
Yeah, I got no problems with that. You're welcome anytime.
You did drive yourself out here.
Yeah,
I mean,
drove out.
that's what friends do.
Drove
they make
here?
effort.
Anytime.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They
Absolutely.
make effort to go places and hang out. So that's
Anytime, man.
awesome.
Yeah.